There might be after this semi-finals. Yeah. We'll have to see what happens. Just wait until this game ends. Then the teams are going to pull through to who's in the semi-finals. Depends on how you played today. Uh, 6-3 to Claude Cavani at the moment. Six 4 to Claude Cavani. Teams are heading up now, 6-all. Eight 6 to the South Sports Steelers, yeah. Done back quite nice. 8-7, good shot from Sia. Close game, yeah. (9-7) to the South Sports Steelers, playing in the pink against the Claude Cavani in the red. Oh, good drive there from Mercado, takes him up 10-7. Oh, that's a 2 from Sia, 10-9 back in it. So Claude Cavani are in team fouls from 7 fouls. Any foul, South Sports Steelers get 2 shots. God, I missed the first one. Up 10-9. Southport Steelers up 10-9. Oh, it's missed both shots. One shot for CA, you can equalize this. Right, it's going to overtime. I think there's 4 seconds left. Then 9 Southport Steelers.